very interesting to me that she could talk through her poems, but interacting directly with her family about that inner life that was so active and so vivid was not shared. She'd get up in the morning, she said, as she's getting up, Yechobalid. I'm laughing because that's what she did. And what did that mean? Mama had to go to her desk and write it down. Then we could get breakfast. And I think to myself, Mama hot alid? Was war alid ist das? What's a poem? I didn't know. And she never really explained it except showed it. And it's funny because I was looking at one of her books the other day, and the book was published in 1945. I was 8 years old at the time. And I don't know if the Undenk, the book's flyleaf has a little, note from her to me saying things. And I'm saying, did she give it to me then? Or did she give it to me later? There was no date. But, it was the kind of thing where she said on there, oh, my, and she'd say Chavelen. So I'm figuring I was younger because when I was older, I was Chave, but to her, but younger, Chavele. That's me. In fact, my family still calls me Chavi, but that's, kind of the adaptation. So she said to me in this flyleaf, she said, Chavelen, these poems are something that I want you to, I hope when you are older, you will follow in my footsteps, essentially, she said. I hope, she added, ich hoffe. And then she said, and when you read the poems, you will remember me. And she just signed it, Die Mame. So I'm thinking I was younger. Otherwise, it would have been formal, Malka, which she did when we were older. We got a formal dedication, Malka, but not this one. This was from Die Mame. The Mama said, if you read about me, you'll remember. I mean, read the poems, not just about me, but read the poems, you'll remember. And I stopped short at that because, you know what? At this age in my life, I'm 81 years old, I've said to myself, how come I just read it today?